Take a ride in the 2020 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heads-up display, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.